In front of me is INFINIX Note 60 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on this section here called App Management. Then select XClone. And finally, tap on the switcher next to any of those recommended apps you wanna clone, or hit Try More Apps and clone one of those. Whatever you decided, when you're ready, click, wait, and when your switcher turns green, go back to check out your cloned app. As you can see, mine is here. Now, if you ever want to get rid of it, go back to the same section of your settings and use green switcher. Then choose close and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!